Have you faced any threats from the promoters or other stakeholders?
It's part of the game, ma'am.
Just for the awareness, like how do you deal with that? Tell us some difference between the Indian law and the other countries' law. What difference are there in this law?
Thanks for this question. Indian IBC, one of very innovative concept in terms of when we compare with the US, UK insolvency acts. So it is not that easy, such law has been enacted, to just simply borrow the legal provisions from those systems, the laws which has still not been able to deliver what have been expected from it. At home, we are first compliant and then help the companies which have been non-compliant so far.
How many assignments have you handled so far?
In terms of CRP, there have been 4 assignments. In terms of liquidation, 3. On the PG's side, almost like 11 assignments which are ongoing. So few of them have been completed, few are ongoing. There are matters where I am appointed in the monitoring committee.
Are they the doctors of reviving dead companies?
It's a very good question.